Gardening brings a unique joy, a sense of accomplishment that comes from nurturing life with your own hands. Each day in the garden is a new adventure, filled with hope and anticipation as you watch tiny seeds transform into thriving plants. There's a deep connection to nature as you nurture plants from seed to bloom, witnessing the miracle of growth up close. The garden becomes a sanctuary, a place where you can unwind and reconnect with the earth. But then, one morning, you discover your plants under attack. Leaves riddled with holes, roses covered in greenfly, and mildew spreading across courgette leaves. The damage seems to appear overnight, leaving you feeling helpless. It's disheartening, almost like a personal attack on your green paradise. All your hard work feels threatened, and frustration sets in as you wonder what went wrong. You question your methods, wondering if you watered too much or too little, or if you missed some crucial step in your care routine. Doubt creeps in, making you second-guess your gardening skills. The sight of damaged plants can break your heart, tempting you to reach for a quick chemical fix. It's easy to feel desperate when you see your beloved plants suffering. But before you do, consider older, gentler methods that work with nature rather than against it. These time-tested solutions can be surprisingly effective and much safer for your garden's ecosystem. These pests are a common challenge for gardeners everywhere, but there are natural ways to protect your plants and restore their health without resorting to harsh chemicals. Instead of reaching for synthetic solutions, pause and explore remedies that align with nature. Taking a moment to observe and understand the problem can lead to more sustainable answers. This approach not only saves your plants, but also helps maintain the delicate balance of your garden ecosystem, supporting pollinators and beneficial insects that are vital for healthy growth. Embrace the challenge as part of the gardening journey. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow as a gardener, deepening your understanding of the natural world. With patience, observation, and the right natural methods, you can reclaim your garden and help your plants recover, often stronger than before. Remember, gardening is a partnership with nature. By working together, you can find ways to protect your plants naturally and create a thriving, resilient garden. Let's explore one such method, ash broth, a simple, natural solution that can help you defend your garden while keeping it safe for all living things. Ash broth is a time-tested, homemade remedy passed down through generations, cherished by gardeners for its simplicity and effectiveness. This humble mixture has been trusted for centuries, with each family adding their own touch to the recipe, ensuring its legacy endures. Made from just wood ash and water, ash broth is a solution you can easily create at home using ingredients you likely already have on hand. Its natural origins make it safe for both your plants and the environment, offering a sustainable alternative to chemical products. When used as an insecticide, ash broth forms a gentle alkaline film on plant leaves. This protective layer deters common pests like aphids and spider mites, making it harder for them to settle and feed on your plants. Unlike harsh chemical sprays, this gentle method encourages pests to leave naturally without harming beneficial insects or disrupting the garden's delicate balance. Ash broth also acts as a natural fungicide. By raising the pH on leaf surfaces, it helps combat fungal diseases like powdery mildew, which can otherwise spread quickly and damage your crops. This simple spray prevents fungal spores from taking hold, shielding your plants from invisible threats and keeping them healthy throughout the growing season. In addition to its protective qualities, ash broth serves as a liquid fertilizer. It's naturally rich in potassium, an essential nutrient that supports strong plant growth and overall vitality. Potassium strengthens plant stems, boosts resistance to disease, and is vital for the development of vibrant flowers and healthy fruits. When sprayed directly onto leaves, plants can absorb these nutrients quickly, leading to faster growth, improved resilience, and a more abundant harvest. This remarkable 3-in-1 action, pest control, disease prevention, and fertilization, makes ash broth a powerful ally for any gardener, whether you're a beginner or an expert. By choosing this natural, nurturing solution, you support your plant's health and productivity while caring for the earth. Embrace this time-honored tradition to protect and celebrate your garden's natural beauty for generations to come. Chemical sprays promise quick fixes for pest problems, but come with hidden costs. They harm not only pests, but also beneficial insects like ladybirds and bees. This disrupts the natural balance, leading to stronger pest rebounds. Chemicals also damage soil health, affecting microorganisms vital for plant growth. The residue can linger on your produce, raising health concerns. Instead, consider natural alternatives like ash broth, which are safer for your garden and family. By choosing natural methods, you protect the environment and maintain a healthy garden ecosystem. Embrace solutions that work with nature, ensuring a thriving garden. Let's explore how to make and use ash broth effectively. Making ash broth is simple, using ingredients you likely have at home. The main ingredient is wood ash from untreated natural hardwood. Ensure the ash is from clean, chemical-free wood like oak or beech. Avoid ash from coal or treated wood, which can harm plants. The best ash is fine, white or gray powder from a clean fire. Water is the second ingredient, acting as a carrier for nutrients. It dissolves minerals from the ash, creating a nutrient-rich solution. Finally, a small amount of natural soap helps the broth spread and stick to leaves. Avoid soaps with perfumes or chemicals. Use plain, unscented soap. This simple recipe is resourceful and connects you to nature. With these ingredients, you're ready to brew your garden's guardian. Let's see how to prepare and use ash broth effectively. Brewing ash broth is a straightforward process, almost like creating a bit of garden magic right in your own backyard. This age-old remedy harnesses the power of natural minerals to support your plants in a gentle, sustainable way. Start by carefully sieving wood ash to remove any large debris, charcoal chunks, or foreign material, leaving behind only the fine, powdery ash that's rich in nutrients. Next, mix 1 part of this fine ash with 3 parts clean water in a large container. This ratio ensures the solution is strong enough to be effective, but not too concentrated for your plants. Stir the mixture thoroughly, making sure the ash is fully suspended in the water. Let it infuse for a few days, stirring daily to help the minerals dissolve and blend evenly. This resting period allows essential minerals like potassium and calcium to leach into the water, creating a potent, mineral-rich solution that your plants will love. After steeping, strain the liquid through a fine mesh or cloth to remove any remaining solid particles, leaving you with a smooth, usable broth. Dilute the concentrate with fresh water to make it gentle for your plants, and add a small squirt of natural soap. The soap helps the solution stick to leaves and improves its effectiveness. Your homemade ash broth is now ready, an all-natural tonic to both protect and nourish your garden's green residents. This simple, hands-on process creates a powerful, natural remedy that supports plant health, deters pests, and boosts resilience without harsh chemicals. Embrace this time-honored method to nurture your plants, encourage strong growth, and help your garden thrive season after season. With ash broth, you're working hand-in-hand with nature, fostering a vibrant, resilient garden ecosystem. Let's explore how this mineral-rich solution works its magic, transforming your plants from the roots up. Discover the many benefits of this simple, natural solution and see your garden flourish like never before. Ash broth's effectiveness lies in its science, not magic. Its alkalinity changes leaf pH, deterring pests and preventing fungal growth. Soft-bodied insects find the alkaline film irritating, encouraging them to leave. This gentle method protects plants without harsh chemicals. The alkaline environment also prevents fungal spores from thriving. By altering leaf pH, you create a barrier against diseases. Ash broth is also a rich source of potassium, vital for plant health. Potassium strengthens plants, aiding in water regulation and growth. Foliar feeding allows plants to absorb nutrients directly, boosting resilience. This natural solution supports plant health and productivity. Embrace ash broth to protect and nourish your garden naturally. Store ash broth concentrate in sealed containers, labeled clearly. Keep it in a cool, dark place for several months of use. Dilute the concentrate with water and add a small amount of natural soap. The soap helps the solution spread and stick to leaves. Apply on a calm, overcast day, avoiding hot, sunny conditions. Spray liberally, covering all leaf surfaces, especially undersides. Regular application every 10 to 14 days prevents pest and disease issues. For infestations, apply more frequently until under control. Shake the sprayer occasionally to keep the mixture combined. This routine becomes a cornerstone of natural gardening. Embrace this method to maintain a healthy, thriving garden. Let's see the results of using ash broth in your garden. Using ash broth transforms your garden, reducing pest problems. Plants look healthier, free from sticky residues and damage. Fungal diseases become less common with stronger, healthier foliage. The soil benefits too, enriched by nutrient-rich drips. Healthier soil leads to better root systems and plant growth. Fruit and vegetable yields improve with more abundant harvests. By working with nature, you create a balanced, self-sustaining garden. Beneficial wildlife thrives, aiding in pollination and pest control. Enjoy the satisfaction of growing food safely and sustainably. Embrace ash broth to make a positive impact on your garden. Try this simple remedy and watch your garden flourish. It's a small step with a big difference for your gardening journey.